Jenson.
Hello, my name is June.
What is that, June?
It's a mushroom bowl.
Okay, show it to us.
And you can like open the lid. And it has like spots like a real mushroom. I picked this out because it looked like a real mushroom.
Does it come in different colors?
Yes.
And can you take the lid off and show us? Very nice. That's a nice wooden bowl. And the bottom suctions to the table, right?
Uh-huh.
Which makes it really great for little kids so that their bowl doesn't slide all over the place and they can't just throw it across the room. And then it has the little lid to keep your food covered. Do you love that bowl, June?
Uh-huh.
Next, we have this composter.
You can't really see the banana because it's
This
black.
is the banana. This is the paper.
And what else did you put in there?
The soil.
We put some soy, some water.
And are you learning to compost?
Uh-huh.
Yes.
And what is compost good for?
It's the earth.
The earth.
And also we have this amazing composter book.
So we know how to compost.
Does that teach you all about composting?
Yes.
And how long it takes for things to
Uh-huh.
to compost? Or do bananas compost quickly?
Yes.
And then
What about paper?
this is telling you
I don't
how
know.
much they live. How much they would live for.
And what are we going to do with that soil once everything's composted? Are we going to put it in our garden?
Yeah, we're gonna put it in our garden.
Yeah, and that's going to help our plants grow. Isn't that cool that we can use our rubbish to make our plants grow?
Yeah.
And the holes on the top, see, they are for the breathing.
Yeah, because it needs oxygen, right?
Yeah.
And then it has some magnifying glasses on the outside so that you can kind of see what's going on in there, right? It's kind of hard to tell. But yeah.
This one we have a
Talking telescope.
Let's open it up and see it.
And it stands up all by itself. Have these legs. And I can tell you how it works. It's all about learning. It's learning about outer space.
So you can do it, this one is learning, and then this one's
How you like do quiz.
yeah, quizzes. Like on the earth, you can see this.
It's
is,
a remembering game with the quiz.
yeah. You can do this to change things.
Why don't you turn it on so that they can hear it?
Okay. This is how you turn it on. You can do any.
Jenson, I can.
Welcome, explorers.
Mama, I can show them how
Let's
it
discover
works.
outer space together.
I can
Press
do
the
it
facts
too.
button to learn about outer space. Press the quiz button for a fun quiz.
Jenson.
So there's rubber bands around it because when they pulled it out of the box,
Let's
they
learn
dropped
about
it and it
the
broke.
International Space Station. More than
Okay,
a
so you
dozen
look through
countries
there, and
work
what do you see
together
in there,
to build
June?
The International
You see,
Space
like,
Station.
outer
Now that's
space.
teamwork.
How do I like?
I see
that?
the International Space Station. And then you can turn this so you can look at different things.
Let's learn about Jupiter's moons.
It's a really cool
Callisto has more
thing.
craters than our moon does.
And also it's really cool. So when you put it somewhere and you're playing something else and you left it on, it just automatically turns off.
And it says something, so it knows you dare us or not. It says like, you still there?
And then this can turn, so if you're this big, you can look there. Here. I usually do like this, and then you can like look through like this, turn it.
And have you been learning all about science?
Yes.
Yes. So far, this is my favorite toy.
My favorite too.
All the information will be in the description box down below.
Bye. Thanks for watching.